This repair video for the P0118 error code is specifically tailored for Honda drivers. If your Honda is showing up P0118 code, this is for you. This means that the vehicle's computer, PCM, has detected an abnormally high voltage from the ECT sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECT sensor, bad engine control module, faulty thermostat, damaged wiring or connectors. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Here is one method to fix the ECT sensor. Replace ECT sensor. Remove the ECT sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the ECT sensor at an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The sensor resistance is between 2,000 ohms to 3,000 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. The thermostat. In most cars, the thermostat is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine. The engine has to be cool before attempting the process, and then install a new thermostat to install it correctly. You need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose and the deep end goes towards the engine when you install it back to the engine. Make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine so the air can get through the system. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Mitsubishi, Nissan, Ford, Volkswagen, Dodge, Honda, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.